That sound is the sound of a cheap sim wheel losing control at 200 kilometers per hour. What if the wheel you're using is the very thing holding you back from setting a world record? We partnered with pro sim racers to put the latest direct drive wheels, belt-driven gear, and everything in between through their paces. The results weren't just surprising, they were lap-time changing. One wheelbase's force feedback was so detailed, it felt like I was cheating. All product links for your buy are in the video description. Let's find the wheel that will shave seconds off your lap. Starting at number 1. Fanatec Gran Turismo DD Pro. A mid-priced path to direct drive, the Fanatec GT DD Pro pairs a compact DD base with a PlayStation-compatible wheel that includes Rev LEDs, a small OLED display, and a dense, thumb-reachable control layout. The wheel's paddles feel substantial, and the quick release lets you move into other Fanatec rims later. Out of the box it runs on PS5/PS4 and PC. Torque can be increased with Fanatec's optional boost kit. If you want a clean, console-ready DD starter that leaves room to grow, this is a straightforward choice. The official direct drive wheel for Gran Turismo. Combining PlayStation 5 console performance with Fanatec direct drive technology for dynamic force feedback sensations. Standard peak torque is 5 Nm, with the boost kit 180, sold separately, unlocking the full 8 Nm. The custom motor was developed in Germany specifically for sim racing, delivering sensational performance thanks to patented flux barrier technology. The steering wheel is designed by Polyphony Digital especially for Gran Turismo, featuring OLED display, Rev LED strip, and 4 directional sticks assigned to Gran Turismo 7's rapid access adjustments for traction control, brake balance, torque split, and fuel mapping. CSL pedals and table clamp included. Package contents: Gran Turismo direct drive wheel base, QR2 light base side, Type-C, pre-installed, steering wheel for Gran Turismo DD Pro, QR2 light steering wheel side pre-installed, pedals for Gran Turismo DD Pro, 2-pedal set, table clamp, 90W power supply, for XT nuts for rail mount system, USB cable, Type-C to Type-A, RJ12 connection cable for pedals, pedal spacers for hard mounting, Torx key, quick guide. Number 2. Turtle Beach VelocityOne Race Wheel and Pedal. Best value all-in-one system. Turtle Beach might not be as well known in the sim racing world as other companies on this list, but it does know a thing or two about creating simulation peripherals, and the VelocityOne Race system is a valiant first effort to make an affordable direct drive system that includes everything you need to get started on a PC or Xbox console. We got our hands on a review unit and were immediately impressed with how well it was packaged, how comprehensive the included components were, and how easy it was to get up and running. The steering wheel itself is solid in construction and features a full-color display integrated into the dash that can not only be used to navigate all of the settings but also displays real-time information from compatible racing games. Usually, you have to shell out extra for a dedicated dash. With the VelocityOne, it's included, and it can be customized using Turtle Beach's accompanying mobile app, which can be used to remap nearly every button and create custom profiles for different users or games. The direct drive motor offers up to 7.2 Nm of torque and the MagShift paddle shifters offer a realistic tactile shifting experience. With any direct drive wheel, you need to be sure it's safely and securely mounted to whatever platform you're using it on, and Turtle Beach does a fantastic job offering up multiple options for attaching it to your desk or dedicated racing seat. In addition to screw mounts on the bottom of the unit, there's also an integrated clamp system that extends and retracts from the body of the wheel using a hex key that's cleverly located in a side compartment of the wheel body. Number 3. Turtle Beach VelocityOne Race KD3. Best value direct drive. The KD3 targets the sweet middle, a compact direct drive wheel, 3.2 Nm peak, with a race management display, magnetic paddles, and adjustable aluminum pedals. It's Xbox/PC compatible and ties into Turtle Beach's tuner app so you can tweak force levels, button maps, and profiles from the couch. If you want a modern, tidy setup that doesn't bulldoze your desk or budget, KD3 fits. Number 4. Logitech G92/G290 Driving Force Racing Wheel. Best value setup. Logitech uses a gear-driven system inside both of these wheels, and while typically looked down upon compared to belt-driven or direct-drive wheels, it's expected at this price point and still offers a dramatic improvement over using a gaming controller. I've used the G920 in the past, and while it is a noticeable difference compared to both belt-driven and direct-drive wheels I've used, it still offers reasonable performance. Some sim racing games, such as iRacing, will even have special feedback modes that can make the gear-driven force feedback feel even more realistic. The two models are nearly identical mechanically, using the same motor components and identical pedal sets, which include throttle, brake, and clutch pedals. The wheelbase and wheels are made of a combination of steel, plastic, and hand-stitched leather. The G29 features built-in PlayStation buttons, while the G920 has Xbox buttons, including D-pads and paddle shifters. The G29 also includes a few extra dials and options for customizable functionality, giving the PlayStation-compatible model a slight edge over the Xbox-friendly G920. Number 5. Thrustmaster TSXW Racer with Sparco P310 Competition Mod. Best beginner option with interchangeable wheels. The Thrustmaster TSXW Racer with Sparco P310 Competition Mod is a collaboration between Thrustmaster and Sparco, industry leaders in the world of racing simulation and motorsports, respectively. The wheel is a 1:1 scale replica of the Sparco P310 competition wheel, known for its ergonomic design and build quality. The TSXW Racer features a powerful brushless servo motor that provides seamless force feedback and uses a dual belt system for stronger, more realistic handling. While not with this specific wheel, I have used the TSXW wheelbase before. It's not nearly as strong as direct drive wheels, but it provides more than enough force to create realistic levels of resistance for even the most challenging of racing games. So much so that it will likely take time to build up your muscles if you intend to race for extended periods of time at higher force feedback levels. The wheel also features Thrustmaster's Hall Effect Accurate technology, HART, which ensures precision that won't decrease over time thanks to its contactless magnetic sensors. And that's how you find the perfect extension of your racing instincts. Whether you're moving from a controller or upgrading your entire rig, one of these 5 wheels is your ticket to the top of the leaderboards. So, which one is going to be your new weapon of choice? Let me know in the comments below. If this guide helped you find the perfect wheel and save you from a costly mistake, please smash that like button, share this with your racing league, and subscribe for more content to make you a faster driver. See you on the track!